Yo, my people, in this video, I'm going to walk you through high probability order blocks. Yes, in this market, it's not every order block that are being respected. We have minor order blocks and major order blocks. And these major order blocks are considered to be high probability order blocks. They are being located at the major levels. Yes, one thing you must know about order blocks, they are fractal. When I say fractal, you can locate them on the higher time frames and again on the smaller time frames. So we are going to talk about characteristics of high probability order blocks. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through characteristics of high probability order blocks. Fractal. Yes, so fractal means order blocks can be located on neither bigger time frames nor smaller time frames. So I'll take you to the chart and then help you locate these order blocks. Yeah, this is our Euro New Zealand dollar markets, and then we are going to start from the bigger time frame. This is our monthly time frame. Yeah, so not to waste time, let's start from this side of the market. Yeah, the last bullish candle is our bearish order block here, this very one. So meaning the whole of this zone was our order block zone. Yeah, so you can see after price made a swing low to this level of interest, it got rejected at the previous order block level here, the last bearish candle before the swing high. So the whole of this zone was our bullish order block level. So as price came down from the premium level, it got rejected at the order block zone, got some liquidity, then made swing high and traded into the bearish order block zone, got some liquidity, made a small reversals and got traded at this bullish order block zone. Again, we have another bullish order block here, the last black candle before the up move. This is another order block. Remember, there are so many order blocks in the market. Yeah, so as price came down and got liquidity below, you could realize that made the price to make momentum swing high to the premium level, got consolidated a bit. Then after the bearish order block with the long wick, it started to make a momentum swing low. So again, we have a high probability bearish order block here. But this time, in mapping the bearish order block level, we will not include the wick because the wick was so long. So after that, we just target the opening of it. We had momentum swing low with little bit retracement here and there all the way to the discounted price level. Yeah, and again we have other blocks in the trend, but they are not effective, so you not pay attention to it. Then at this discounted level, we have bullish order block here. In future, as price went bullish and came back, it got rejected at the bullish order block zone. Tap liquidity, then went high and cleared previous highs at the premium level, got rejected to the swing low, then went up. Yes, so let's scale in to the weekly market and see whether it could locate some other blocks in the market. Yes, on the weekly time frame, still we again have our order block level in place, as you can see where I've marked on the higher time frame, still holding on the smaller time frame. And when you zoom in, see other blocks here, bearish order block, but you not include the wick. The wick was too long. Then after the order block level, price got rejected and made a swing low. This another order block at the discounted level, then went up, traded exactly below the bearish order block wick, as you can see. Exactly, yeah, it got traded just exactly below the bearish order block, then made a swing low to the order block level again. Yeah, so price this one got traded into the previous bearish order block. It came back down for liquidity at the bullish order block, went back. This one too is another order block. Price got rejected at the order block level, then made a swing low to this level of interest, which is another order block here. Made a little bit consolidation, came further for the major order block level, then made a swing high. I will see. So in an uptrend, we have order blocks at the swing lows. This is an order block here. We realized as soon as price left the order blocks, it got rejected at the top, then came back to the order block level, this level. Got some liquidity, then went bullish, got rejected, then came back to the order block level here. This is another order block here. Then from here, price got liquidity, went bullish, came back from order block. So this one to the last black candle is our order block. So we have many other blocks. Yeah, we have other block here as price came and traded into it, and then this one too is also an other block. This one too is also an order block. From there, price went bullish, got rejected at the premium level. And so when you observe the trend, you could realize that other blocks are at the strategic levels of interest, which serve as a staircase for price to bullish or bearish. It serves as support for price. This is our high probability order block at the premium level. So the whole of this area was our order block level. As price left the order block level, got consolidated, then went back and traded into the order block level, got some liquidity, made a swing low to the previous order block here, got liquidity, then went bullish. So that's how it is, my people. Let's scale further to the daily time frame. Yes, as you can see, we have order blocks again. This one too is our order block, the last bullish candle, and then here to another order block is here. Yeah, as you realize, in future price went back and traded into the order block. So my people, order blocks can be everything. And let's go further. 4-hour time frame, still order blocks are clear. You have 1 year. On the smaller time frame, they are more clearer. 1 year, 1 year. Yeah, many. So let's scale into the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, 1 minute time frame. Yeah, for that block here, the last one here. Yeah, this one was our other block level. This one to another one here. The whole of this level. Yeah, so other blocks are fractal. It means they can be located on any time frame, both bigger time frames and smaller time frames. Yeah, so my people, let's get to the second characteristics of high probability order block. Yeah, the second one has to do with the location of where the high probability order blocks will be located. Yeah, so these high probability order blocks could be located at the premium and discounted price levels. So let me take you to the charts and then show you. Yeah, when you observe carefully, you could realize that high probability order blocks are being located at the hot important levels, which are the premium. These are premium level in between our minor levels, so you not pay attention to them because they are not effective as such. Though they play out well, but they are not the major ones. So these the major ones located at the discounted level. How you see the major ones? Yes. High probability order blocks are located at the major levels. This is what our discounted level or demand level. They are very effective. Other blocks that are located at these high premium and discounted levels are very effective. This is one. Another one at the top there, you will see just after the price left high probability order block level, it made a momentum swing low. That shows how effective that order block was. One to is here, another one to is here. Just after this level, price went bullish. Yes. So let's get to the third characteristics of order block. Yes, another very important characteristics of high probability order block is before you know that an order block is effective, you must use level 2 Fibonacci. It helps you to know how much price has traded into the order block, because when price trades into the order block more than 50%, it weakens that very order block. So before you know whether price has traded into order block less or more than 50% price movement, you use Fibonacci to determine it. That will help you to know whether that order block is effective to trade at. So I'll take you to the chart and then demonstrate it to you. Yeah. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, this is one high probability bearish order block here. I'll map it. If you don't know how to map order blocks, I've already demonstrated it in my previous video, so you better go watch it. Yeah, so the whole of this level was our high probability order block level. So in future, as price came and traded into the order block, and you want to know whether this very order block is effective enough to make price reject or trade beyond it. Because one thing about order block is when price trades to it, it either rejects price or allow price to trade beyond it further. So what price does is as soon as price trades just below the order block got rejected, in another scenario, price could trade a little bit into the order block, tap liquidity, and then got rejected. And then the third scenario has to do with price will continue trading beyond the order block and continue its direction. So in this case, you could realize price traded into the order block. So we want to know how far price has traded into the order block. So we use our Fibonacci to replace it at the high of it, then bring it down. Because of the color, the numbers are not showing well. But currently, the price has traded at 23.6, meaning it hasn't traded into the other block so much. So that means the price will got rejected. Because if price were to trade beyond 50, 60, 70 upward, it will weaken the order block not to hold any price again. So that's how it is, my people. So if you want to know how far price has traded into the order block, you just use your level tool. That will guide you to see whether in future that order block will hold price or to become weak. Now I will touch on the last characteristics because I don't want to make this video long. The fourth characteristics has to do with a high probability order block must have high volume, liquidity, imbalances, market structure. Yeah, so other blocks that don't have these characteristics, never trade them, because if you trade them, you can't maximize profit. There is a high probability that you will get disappointed in the market, especially other blocks that are located at the minor levels. They don't have high volume, high liquidity, high imbalances, and the market structure. So other blocks that are located at the high level, they have what volume, market structure. Look at this very other block here. As you can see, the market structure, it is located at the down. You see where it is located, price has formed double bottom formation and again form at the discounted level. That serves as a strong confluence that price will be bullish. Obviously, so indeed price went bullish. So market structure is very important, and then the volume as well, the imbalances, you have to pay attention to it. So it's like that, my people. In conclusion, always trade at order blocks that are clean, that has high volume, liquidity, imbalances, market structure, and trade with overall trend. Implement market structure. Always trade high probability order blocks that are located at the major premium and discounted levels. On this note, I would like to sign out here. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.